Dear students, in this video we will learn about the theorem 7.5 in class 9. Theorem 7.5 RHS congruency. Its statement is already read in last videos. That is, if in two right angles triangle, the hypotenuse and one side of one triangle are equal to hypotenuse of other triangle and another side of other triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. RHS. Congruency. In the figure given in triangle ABC and DEF, दो ट्राइंगल आपको दिए हैं ABC and DEF, angle B and angle E both are equal of 90 degree. Hypotenuse AC is equal to DF and one side BC is equal to EF. These three facts are given. One angle of both triangle is 90, one side and other side. Three facts are given. We have to prove that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. These two triangles are congruent. We have to prove that these two triangles are congruent. To prove it, we have to draw a construction. Produce DE to G. DE इस साइड को G तक प्रोड्यूस कर दिया जाए G तक, such that AB is equal to G. GE जो है ये AB के इक्वल है ये, and join G और GF को ज्वाइन करें. तो यहां देखिए, this is the straight line bilinear pair of angles. If this angle is 90 degree, then it is also 90. Proof in triangle ABC and GEF. इस ट्राइंगल में और इस ट्राइंगल में देखिए, AB is equal to G, this side is equal to this side. By construction, angle B is equal to angle E, each 90 degree. It is 90 and it is also 90 degree. And BC is equal to EF, given. BC is equal to EF, given. This side is equal to this side, this angle is equal to this angle, and this side is equal to this side. Therefore, by side, angle, side, side, angle, side, side, angle, side, congruency. So, by side, angle, side, congruency, this triangle ABC is congruent to this triangle. These two triangles are congruent. ABC and DEF, GEF are congruent. जब ये दोनों ट्रायंगल कॉन्ग्रुएंट हैं, तो by CPCT angle A is equal to angle G. This angle is equal to this angle. Taking it equation 1, and AC is equal to G. AC is equal to G. Taking equation second. Now, given that AC is equal to DF, AC is equal to DF, it is given. And by equation second we have proved that AC is equal to GF, AC is equal to DF, it is given, and AC is equal to GF, it is proved. Therefore AC DF के इक्वल है और AC ही GF के इक्वल है. This implies that DF is equal to GF. DF और GF इक्वल हो गए. DF और GF इक्वल हो गए. दो साइड इक्वल हो गई. अब हम इस कंप्लीट ट्रायंगल को अगर देखें, इन ट्रायंगल GDF, अगर ये लाइन ना हो ना, कंप्लीट ट्रायंगल ले लिया जाए तो यहाँ दो साइड्स आर इक्वल, टू साइड्स आर इक्वल. देयरफॉर एंगल्स अपोजिट these sides are also equal. Angle G is equal to angle D. This angle is equal to this. G is equal to D. Using this fact, G is equal to D. Equation first ये है. देखिए, angle A is equal to angle G and angle G is equal to D. Therefore, A is equal to G and G is equal to D. Therefore, we get angle A is equal to angle D. Taking it equation 3, third equation. So, now by angle sum property in triangle ABC, इस triangle में and DEF इस triangle में, इन दोनों जो ओरिजिनल ट्रायंगल थे, इन ट्रायंगल्स में, ऊपर वाले जो ओरिजिनल ट्रायंगल थे हमारे पास, इन ट्रायंगल्स में एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी यूज की जाए. तो सम ऑफ एंगल्स ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल इज 180 डिग्री. Therefore, angle A plus B plus C 180 degree and angle D plus E plus F is 180 degree. These three angles are equal to 180 and these three angles are equal to 180. Therefore, sum of these triangles separately equal. Angle ABC plus angle DEF, angle D, angle E, angle F इक्वल हो गए. अब जो हमने ऊपर प्रूफ किए हैं वहां से इसको यूज करना है. एंगल ए प्लस एंगल बी प्लस एंगल सी, एंगल ए प्लस एंगल ए प्लस एंगल बी प्लस एंगल सी इज इक्वल टू एंगल डी. डी बाई 3 इक्वेशन, डी इज इक्वल टू ए. तो डी इज रिप्लेस्ड बाई एंगल ए and angle E is replaced by angle B. दिया देखो, angle E is equal to angle B and F at it is. यहां देखें कैंसिलेशन रूल से A और B cancel out. This gives angle C is equal to angle F. Taking it equation 4. Again in triangle ABC, इन्हीं दो ट्रायंगल्स में देखिए आप, in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, BC is equal to EF, BC is equal to EF and angle C is equal to angle F. This angle is equal to this angle. ये angle इक्वल हो गए by equation 4 and AC is equal to DF. AC is equal to DF. ये गिवन, AC is equal to DF given. So by SAS congruency, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. Hence, और इस तरह ये थ्योरम प्रूफ हो गई.